Want to know a secret? Did you know you can easily dress up your envelopes to coordinate with your handmade cards by doing this one thing? Let me show you. Lining your envelope with a coordinating pattern paper is a fast and easy way to bring the design from the card right to your envelope, giving you that extra special touch that is sure to be remembered. Simply place the envelope on top of your pattern paper. Slide the envelope down approximately a ½ inch and trace the flap. Cut away the excess and then slide it right down into your envelope. Tack in place with adhesive along the top edge of the flap. You now have a perfectly coordinated envelope for your project. Follow for more crafty secrets revealed.